Losing phone numbers on your smartphone can be really frustrating. Sometimes the phone numbers get deleted due to our own errors. Sometimes it just happens for no reason. This video will provide 2 common methods to retrieve deleted phone numbers on Android Samsung devices. The most common method is to restore phone numbers on Samsung from Samsung Cloud Backup. Now let's start. First, go to the settings icon and open it. Click on the backup and reset option. You will notice a restore data option under your Samsung account. You can choose what data you would like to restore. So in this case, it is the phone numbers. Click on the contacts option. Hit Restore Now option, and all your selected phone numbers from the previous step will recover. If this does not work, there is always dBack Android. Compared with the last method, dBack Android can recover deleted phone numbers without a previous backup. Besides, it supports selective contact recovery and allows you to preview phone numbers before recovery. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Download the dBack Android and install it on your PC. Select the Recover Phone Data option. Step 2. Then connect your Samsung phone to the PC via a USB cable. Step 3. This software will show you 2 methods of recovery, and you should click the full scan option. Step 4. Once the scan is done, you can preview and selectively recover the specific phone number. There are 2 storage locations, and here we choose the second location, Recover to PC. Okay, that's all for today. If this video helps, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Videos here provide various solutions on iPhone issues. Bye! See you in the next video.